This video right here is a beginner friendly makeup video. I started off by cleaning my face with a micellar water. Clean your face very well, even if you are just coming out of the bathroom. Clean your face with a micellar water. I then go in with my moisturizer and my primer. I let it stay and dry on my skin before going in with my foundation. I use this Yanga Beauty foundation because it's so easy to blend and I just love it. Please, while applying your foundation, take your time. Blend it into your skin light-handedly. I then go with my concealer. Just allow it. Blend. Emphasis on blend. Take your time in blending, especially your under eyes, so it will be looking so creasy. Blend your under eyes. Take your time and blend your under eyes, please. As a beginner in makeup, even as a pro, you have to take your time. I went in with a lighter concealer because I love my under eyes to pop. And then I blend. Take your time, guys, while blending your under eyes. Take your time. Take your time. After that, I go with my contour. And my low light. I don't know what they call it. I think it's low light. I usually don't do liquid contour, but I just tried it today. This is my first time, I think. And then always set your contour with a powder. Set your under eye as well, please, so it won't crease. Please, I beg you. Always set your under eyes. Always set your under eyes. Setting is different from baking. Setting is different from baking. Always set. You can see it's just looking, it's not too much. With everything I've applied on my face, my makeup is still looking so simple and not too heavy. It's an everyday makeup. Now I'm baking. This is baking. I am baking. Baking is different from setting. Then my brows. I'm not perfect with doing my brows myself now. I'm not that perfect. But as everyone always says, brows are sisters, not twins. So just do you. And then I went in with my eyeshadow. I went in with a lighter brown, and then I was going with darker brown. I was just using light, dark. I was just blending it in. I have a big eye, so I don't want to do too much. I added a black eyeshadow because I just want to do kind of a little smoky eyes, just little. And then I use this color from my blush palette, this orange color. That was my blush palette actually. I love that blush palette. It is versatile. I use it for so many things. Lashes are the most difficult thing for me to do while doing my makeup. I don't like doing my lashes myself. It's so difficult for me to put them myself. And then you can see I have a big lips already, like a full lips already. So I just followed my lip line, my natural lip line. I didn't do any overlining. If you have a smaller lip, you can do your overlining. It will make it look bolder and beautiful. Just blend light-handedly. And now I'm playing with my blush. Since I didn't use a liquid blush, I really want to play with my blush. I used an orange blush. I applied it on my nose and my cheek. I was just playing with colors. I was playing with orange today. I usually don't use orange blush. I usually use pink blush. And then I'm going with my highlighter. Highlighter are like my best thing to do while doing my makeup. I love highlighters as well. It just gives me this look. Like it just completes my whole makeup. And then I'm going with my gloss. What's my makeup without a lip gloss? After that, I used my Sooo Pro spray to lock my makeup in. And can't you see how gorgeous I look? Like, my makeup is so simple and beautiful. It's giving orange girl. Thanks for watching. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much. I'll be dropping tips on how you can do your makeup, draw your brows, how you can do your hair, tips on everything for my girlies. Thanks for watching.